In this video, we're going to be talking about Microsoft Authenticator not working and how to fix it. To fix Microsoft Authenticator not working, start by checking your internet connection and notifications. Then restart the app and restart your phone as well. If that doesn't work, update the app, re-add your account by scanning the QR code again, or temporarily use an alternative verification method like SMS code. So let me just go ahead and show you a couple of the basic troubleshootings. Simply go ahead and change from Wi-Fi to mobile data in order to check if it is your internet. Make sure that you have turned on your settings or notifications on your Microsoft app by heading into apps and then Authenticator and heading onto notifications and allow notifications. Other thing you want to do is simply go ahead into your App Store or Play Store and then simply go ahead and check if your Microsoft Authenticator has any updates or not. If it has, simply go ahead and update it as well. And now, once you've done that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and try re-adding your account into Authenticator by simply firstly removing the account by clicking on the gear icon and clicking on Remove Account, and then adding by clicking on plus, and then simply adding any of one of these. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If